Welcome, everyone. My name is Kyle Hershey. I'm the COO of the Mortgage Calculator, joined here by our president, Nick Hershey, and our sales manager, Jose Gonzalez. We are a lender specializing in non-QM and investor loans, and this is our presentation on how you can work with us and refer us business purpose loans for a referral fee. So Nick is going to take us through a little presentation here on what a business purpose loan is, what's considered a business purpose loan, the type of loans that we can offer, and how to go about it. And then Jose will talk about how you can take advantage of these opportunities. So Nick, if you're ready, let's go ahead and talk about the types of loans that we can do with this referral program.
All right. Thank you, Kyle. So let me go ahead and share my screen and get into the presentation here. Get started. So as Kyle mentioned, these are our solutions for our investors, for our commercial referral partners to refer us business purpose loans. A little bit of a mouthful, but let me explain more about what we mean here. So first off, these are going to be for our investor mortgage loan products. Really, what does that mean for us? DSCR loans are typically the top of our list here. That's our most popular loan. We'll obviously go into detail on that. We also have your more traditional commercial loans, which anybody out there might be used to who has done commercial in the past. We also have our hybrid type programs, which are mixed use property loans for small commercial mixed use. So for 2 to 8 units mixed use, we have a hybrid DSCR program, not your traditional commercial, and a little bit of a hybrid DSCR. Same thing with the small multifamily. So anything from 5 to 8 units, traditionally commercial, we have a hybrid DSCR for that as well. And then anything obviously over that many units, we have your traditional commercial. Key loans, definitely something very popular these days, or second mortgages, fixed rate second mortgages, for those investors who may not want to touch their first mortgage. Maybe they got it while rates were down over the last couple of years, and so they would like to just add a second mortgage. We have those options now. And then portfolio loans, definitely a tool that we use in order to accomplish a goal for an investor who may have multiple properties of smaller loan size or smaller property values. Now, why do you want to partner with us? Obviously, to earn revenue, so up to 75 basis points or 0.75% for referring us a business purpose loan. So that's a loan that's going to be closing in an entity name and not using any primary income, obviously. And this allows you guys to, through us, access over 100 different banks and lenders and products, over 5,000 total loan products in total that we have. And we're always focused on our investors and really the non-QM and or DSCR type of loans that we do. So we're always going to have the best rates and terms on those types of products. That's our focus here. We can also take the online applications instantly from your borrowers and quote them instantly online. Kyle will show you a little bit how that works on the back end. And we can do this in 44 states pretty much across the board. And there are some tricks to get around in some other states as well. So generally available in 44 states. So great opportunity for our partners out there to earn some extra revenue. Now, DSCR loans, these are our favorite loans, our most popular loans. Obviously, a lot of people have heard about them, but that's really our specialty here. So really what it stands for is debt service coverage ratio. And the definition of that is the gross rents divided by the PITIA, or the expenses of the mortgage. AKA, if the property cash flows, that's a ratio of 1 or higher, which is typically the preferred ratio for most of the standard programs. Anything over 1 is preferred. But we also have options down to 0.0, aka no ratio. So all kinds of flexibility here under the DSCR program. We also have 30 or 40-year terms, fixed rate or interest only, and we can go up to 85 LTV for purchases and up to 80% for cash out refinances. So amazing opportunities there. Definitely the hottest product on the market right now. And we also have our specialties here where we can use these programs for specific use, such as short-term rentals. We can do up to 85% LTV as long as we can use the long-term rents. And if we have to use the short-term rents for DSCR to make the DSCR work, we can do up to 80% LTV using the short-term rents. We can also do this for rural properties. Not many companies out there can do that. We can also do this for manufactured homes, definitely unique there. And we also have no seasoning cash out refinance options where an investor could buy a distressed property and refinance the next day. And I mentioned before the fixed rate second mortgages, definitely a unique option, and it's under the DSCR umbrella there where it doesn't require any income. And what types of properties can we do? Obviously, 1 to 4 unit residential is your typical properties. That's what everybody's used to. But as I mentioned at the start, we can also do our 5 to 8 unit small commercial residential, which is kind of a hybrid, and our 2 to 8 units mixed use. So that is a unique way to use the DSCR. Then obviously our standard multi-unit 9 to 100, 200 units residential multifamily are going to be DSCR based, but totally different types of products. We can also do short-term rentals and the original short-term rental condo hotels. We did an episode on that this morning. We can also do, as I mentioned before, portfolio loans where we combine 3 or more properties together that may not qualify on their own, typically for value or loan size. What types of borrowers can we work with? Obviously, U.S. citizens are eligible for all the programs we're talking about. I-10s, someone who may not have actual status here in the U.S. If they have a green card or a work permit, they are pretty much U.S. citizens, but an I-10 would be someone who doesn't have status. Then there's a true foreign national, who's someone who doesn't live here or have status here or anything to do with the U.S. So we have all of those different options. You can also work with first-time home buyers and first-time investors. So if there's their first purchase ever, we still have options, or if it's their first investment ever, still have DSCR options for that as well. Lots of flexibility. Then we have our traditional commercial loans, office, retail, shopping centers, hotels, industrial, storage, gas stations, land, ground up construction, fix and flip, all that kind of great stuff. Assisted living facilities, very popular request these days. All the different traditional options we have there as a traditional commercial outlet. Now it's very simple to start partnering. You just simply use your referral link. So when you sign up here, Kyle will show you the actual page to sign up, but you'll get your own referral link and it'll look just like our quick quote page where your customers can instantly put in their information, pull some of their own rates and quotes, and then actually get connected with an NLO for a final quote. And you guys can track that all on the back end for the business purpose loans tracking there. And once one of those loans close, you'll see it pop up. And we use Bill.com to pay out within 10 days of closing. So that's the general rundown. Here's a little disclaimer. Let's pass it over to Kyle now, who can actually go on the back end and show you what some of the links look like there to get you started. So if you're ready, Kyle, let's show them how to get started.
Yeah, absolutely. Let me go ahead and share my screen here. All right, so we'll put the link here in the chat to sign up. And what you're going to do is you can go to themortgagecalculator.com, and if you go to contact, you can click refer a business purpose loan. That's how you can get there, or you can click the link there we're putting in the chat. Here's a video replay, and then the link to sign up is actually right here to join as a referral partner. You can also check out our pricing right here on these type of loans that we're talking about, like our DSCR loans, and actually see our live rates right there as well. But go ahead and go to themortgagecalculator.com. On the contact tab, click refer a business purpose loan. Go ahead and sign up here. What happens is we will send you your own link, and you'll have an apply now page, just like we do on our main website, where they're going to put in the information, and it just walks them through 4 simple steps, and it is tracked to you. So you'll have your own unique link there that is tracked to you. So as soon as you sign up, we'll send you your unique link, and you can start sending your prospective clients there, borrowers there. So you have it customized for you, and everything is tracked to you, and it's going to go to a loan officer so that they can reach out to the client. So with that being said, let me go ahead and send it over to Jose here. Jose is our sales manager. He's been a realtor and a loan officer for 28 years. So we can talk to those of you out there. You may be realtors, or you may be other brokers that may not have these type of products. So he can kind of let you know how to take advantage of these. So go ahead, Jose.
So thank you everybody for joining us for today's webinar on referring business purpose loans. So I'm going to reach out first to the realtors in the group, right? There's a number of different groups that can benefit from this, right? We're talking realtors, title company agents, insurance company agents, investors, right? That could be members of an investment club, right? And now that they're all aware from Nick's great presentation of all the different loan products that are applicable for this, right? Realtors, for example, any deal that you may have closed, let's say in the last 6 months, the last year, or whenever, right? Cash deals, hard money deals where they may be looking to have to refinance out of those. You could definitely reach out to all of your sphere of influence customers, let them know how you can assist, and then click the refer button, refer that deal once you set it up in the platform in your contact management that we give you, then you refer the deal to us. So plenty of opportunities there from all those cash buyers, hard money. They can definitely refi into the DSCR business purpose loans. Then we're talking about our investors out there. Like I was saying, they'd love. Typically, they are in investment groups, investment clubs. They may be meeting in person. They may be meeting virtually. You can definitely share the good news about these great products that we have, how you can assist them, set them up in the CRM, make the referral through the system, and then make your 75 basis points there. Title company agents also. You have the database of all of those transactions that you've closed. You know the cash ones, you know the hard money ones. Reach out to them, offer them the great products, and then set up the referral in the CRM. Click the button. Insurance company agents as well. You are insuring all of these properties. You are aware of the transaction types. You can also be reaching out to your sphere of influence, to your database, and creating all of these transactions from customers who you already have a business relationship with. So it's really adds synergy to your business. So let us know any way we can assist. Any questions you may have, you can always reach out to us. If you're trying to structure some kind of a deal, we're always here to assist.
All right, I don't see any questions coming in, but again, you can go to themortgagecalculator.com and on the contact tab, click refer a business purpose loan. And we also put a link there in the chat as well. And go ahead and sign up, and we will give you your link that you can start referring deals. So thank you everybody for tuning in. We appreciate it, and we look forward to working with you as you refer us business purpose loans to make a referral fee. So thank you everybody, and we hope to work with you soon.